Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a Drawio file online. Let's begin. Opening a Drawio file online is a straightforward process, but you have to understand that when you open your browser and go to the Drawio website, it would not ask for you to log in or to sign up for an account, but instead it would ask you where do you want to save your diagrams or your files later. It could be to your Google Drive, OneDrive, device, which is going to be your computer, Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab. All right. Now, for example, you have saved a diagram or Drawio file on your computer. Make sure you're able to access that, because when you right click on it, you have multiple options in opening it, and especially via online. You can use obviously Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and a lot more. All right. And then that's one option. The next option is going to be open the web browser again, and then go to the upper left corner where you can see the file. Remember earlier you were asked to where you want to save your diagrams or files later. Now, it's the same thing. You can open your files online using one of the following options: Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, and of course, the computer. Now, since I have saved it to my device or my computer, I'm going to click this and open that. And what will happen is I would now be able to open it here in Google Chrome. It's very easy. All right. Now, for example, you wanted to edit more files and add more dynamics here, adding more elements as you go along the way. For example, adding flowcharts right here, and any relationship, for example, this, and of course, a UML diagram. You have all these options for you. All right. For example, this. All right. And then you have decided to save it to a different file location. All right. Click on the save button for now to make sure you have the latest copy. Now, you have the option to export it in a different file format. It could be PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF, VSDX, HTML, XML, URL, it doesn't matter. For example, you want to save this as an XML, which is going to be the Drawio native file. If you click on export, again, you can choose where do you want to save it. You can save it now to your Google Drive, to your OneDrive, to your Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, and of course, you can also save it again to your computer. All right. You also have an option to share it to your team members if you're working with multiple freelancers, and of course, you can send it to your client. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.